Good afternoon, everyone. For those who's watching me live, I'll be presenting you the newest pen display of Wacom. This is Inzal Marketing Corporation sent me this one for review, and I'm gonna show you the new Wacom One. So this came a few minutes ago. Yeah, literally a few minutes ago, and I'm really excited to show you what's inside the new Wacom One. So here you go. This is I think this is a 13.3 inches pen display, and as you can see, yeah, it's sealed, and I'm so excited to show you this new product of Wacom. And just open it carefully because this is not mine. I just Inzal just loaned it to me for review. Anyway, so it has a wait. Hard to open. Wait. I think I should open the other side. There you go. So there's another box inside. It's like a protective case. And yeah, there's some notes here. Like before connecting to your, upon connecting with your laptop and power it on, you should install the latest software and register for free softwares. Like I think there's 3 free softwares for you to download, if I'm not mistaken. So let's open it. Nice. Now here's the unit itself. Wow, it's really thin and very light. Look at this beauty. It's a matte finish, and it's way better than my Cintiq 24 HD, which is like super old. And it comes with a pen holder, white back, and the 19 degrees stand, built-in stand. It's super light. It's like as light as my iPad Pro. Yeah. But yeah, there's still fingerprint smudges. See? It's okay. So anyway, let's check for the other items here in the box. And of course the pen, the famous battery-free Wacom pen, and slightly thinner than the usual Wacom pens I use. And I noticed that there isn't a eraser, and only one button here. It's really thin. Yeah. Okay. So there you go. The cables. I also used the a Wacom Cintiq 13 HD before, 13 Companion, if I'm not mistaken. It's an Android tablet and Wacom Cintiq. So I stopped using it because it's kind of bulky, heavy, the heavy side, and the cables are too much for me to handle. So now the included cables are quite nice, and it has USB-C. I think this is for the power. USB-C and the USB. This is the USB-C. This is a USB and HDMI. Yeah, really cool. What else? Oh, the power brick or the plug. Maybe you can attach it here to USB. Okay. And there are 4 plugs available. Depends on your country and where do you use it. Okay. So, and some instruction manuals. Yeah, 19-degree angle, which is perfect for illustrating. Yeah, that's cool. So, in a few hours, I'll be setting up, and I'll be making a short review of this new product of Wacom, which is Wacom One. This is I'm really excited to show this to you guys, and I'll let you know what I think before you buy this amazing product. So, yeah, before anything else, I wanna thank Leia Solinap of Inzal Marketing Corporation for loaning me this unit. And oh, wow, it's like paper. It's like drawing on paper. That's really nice. I'm really excited to use this later. So yeah, again, thank you, Leia Solinap. If ever you're interested, you guys watching who's interested, you can contact Leia Solinap. It's posted on my Facebook and where to contact her. And I hope you watch out for my review tonight or maybe tomorrow. Okay, so thanks for watching, and yeah, keep on growing.